Most of our customers will be companies that already have been through some kind of a Zoho development cycle. It failed, and then they searched on YouTube, found us, and came to us as clients. In this video, I'm going to talk to you why most likely your next Zoho CRM is going to fail. Over the years, I created many videos trying to help you create a proper CRM implementation. Obviously, if you have a few thousands of dollars, you can come to our company. We'll help you with the implementation. If you don't, it's still okay. Just follow the videos and make sure that you are following those rules. Now, even if you work with a different developer, make sure that you are the one who is leading the developer and you know exactly what you want out of your system. Don't ever go to an unprofessional developer that cannot architect a system and expect him to architect your business solution. The first reason why a CRM implementation will fail, and we see it all the time, is because the business owner is coming with his business needs and is laying it down on a Zoho developer. A Zoho developer is not someone that understands your business. He never managed employees. He never fired people. He never had crazy pain from running a business. You have no clue what are you suffering from. You cannot put your business trouble on him and expect that a developer will solve your business problems using a CRM system. It will never work. It never worked in the past, it will never work in the future. Most of those implementations will end up with, it's amazing, project is progressing, it's awesome, and 20% before the end, the project is stuck. In most cases, the developer will disappear. There will be a very good reason around it. There is death in the family, there is cancer. I heard insane stories, which I know those developers and nothing like that happened to them. And those people will disengage from you. And we see it all the time because our channel is attracting people that already are in the Zoho ecosystem. And mainly those people will come to us after they have problems. So first of all, architect your solution. I'm not saying come to us, no problem, go somewhere else. But take a business consultant, someone that understands business and understands your target CRM. In this case, it's a Zoho CRM, might be Salesforce, it doesn't matter. But have someone that can basically create a Lucy chart or some kind of a diagram that you understand, not a 50,000 pages document that no one will ever read. Something that makes sense, something that you as the client, you understand fully what's involved in this implementation. Usually in those architectures, you must be involved. It's not something that you will lay on an architect and expect him to create the solution for you. The architect can come with advice on how to improve the process, on how to automate it, and if what you want can be implemented on your target CRM. But you supposed to come with your business flow, with the way that you are running your business, and the architect can work with you. So number one, the most crucial will be the architecture. Step number two will be training. Whenever you have a system, people need to know how to use it. You need to have a partner that works with you that can train and educate your team on how to do it. We have some clients that after 2 sessions, they're good to go. They're technology savvy and their team are thirsty for good CRM. And that works fine. In some cases, we will have clients that their team are not willing to adopt any kind of CRM because it's very convenient for the employees to live in a mess because they cannot be tracked. No one can see what they're doing, and also it's good for people not to have changes in general. In those cases, we will work with the team again and again until they get it and until they know what to do. And usually it's much more painful process, but still, without proper training, no one will use the system, and you will always get stuck with the shitty system that you currently have, and you are praying that one day this will be over. So number one, that is controlling tons of mistakes, will be architecture, proper architecture of a system. The second one will be training. If you cover those two, you have a good trainer and you have a good architect, you will be on a good, beautiful route for a CRM success.